Hi, I'm Novin from ASB.
And I'm Arya Yektafar from KBEV. This is the week of January 31st.
Welcome to the Norman Update.
Students, there will be a lockdown drill on Thursday, February 3rd. Once you hear the alarm, please enter the nearest classroom or room you can find. You must walk quickly and quietly. It is necessary to practice these procedures the correct way in case of an actual emergency. Thank you for your cooperation.
There is a special schedule on Monday, January 31st due to the incoming 9th graders open house. Period 1 begins at 8:30 with each class being 30 minutes long.
Seniors, stop by Ubatuba on West 3rd Street on Monday, January 31st between 3 and 6 p.m. to support the class of 2022. All funds raised at this fundraiser will be put towards Prom 2022.
Sophomores, stop by Fresh Brothers Pizza located at 250 South Beverly Drive on Monday, January 31st to support the class of 2024. All funds raised at this fundraiser will be put toward Prom 2024.
Valentine's Day candygrams will be available for purchase from Monday, February 7th to Wednesday, February 9th during lunchtime on the 2nd and 3rd floor patio. Make sure to purchase one and make someone's Valentine special.
Stop laughing! Seniors, your merch is here. It's ready. We need to pass it out. We're passing it out today. Sorry it took so long. Chloe screwed up the whole process.
That's not true.
We had to start over.
No.
But you'll get it today in your 3rd period class. Hopefully, if Chloe doesn't screw it up
I didn't do
again.
anything.
And as always, go Norman!
KBEV is working on a feature film, and we need your help.
We are currently in the pre-production phase. We are looking for creative scriptwriters to express their skills and help us write an amazing storyline for us to produce in a movie that is in the plans to be premiered at AMC.
Auditions are this Tuesday, February 1st, during lunch and 7th period, in the KBEV studio, room 278 in the main building.
We are so excited to start this project and work with many talented students.
Now, let's send it back to the desk.
Thank you for watching the Norman Update. I'm Novin.
And I'm Arya Yektafar. We will see you next week.
There's a special, I'm sorry.
It's such a good song.
I love this. So standing in the wind to touch the air. Guys, I'm not doing anything bad, right?
No, you're fine.
Okay, it's
Don't
Aidan,
worry.
right?
It's Aidan.
When you admit that it's all coming back. When I kiss you like that, it's hard to admit.
Wait, let's roast each other. Ooh, I have it. Today Aidan got mad because his Celsius didn't kick in. Aidan didn't get a job at Aloe and then he cried for 2 days. It's true, he didn't. Aidan wears shorts that are shorter than my cheer skirt. Aidan wears shorts that are shorter than the cheer skirts. Aidan didn't get a job at Aloe, so he cried for 2 days.
Cheers season gets canceled, so then she cries, but then they give it back to her, and then she doesn't care.
I didn't cry.
Then she cries that cheer isn't good anymore because there's no
What?
audience.
I never said that.
I'm the best.
Aidan cried for 2 days because he didn't get a job at Aloe and then got a job at
Saying the
Adidas.
same thing. Oh, Sarah. Thank you for your ring.
Aidan can't start his day without a Celsius.
Echo.
Hey, Carey.
Hi, Mr. Carey. So he cried for 2 days. Aidan wears shorts that...
Aloe yoga is not good enough for me. Stop roasting.
Aidan's shorts
Go Norman!
are really short.
You must walk quietly and quickly. It is necessary. Let's go like that.
Okay.